Hello again, everybody. I just finished cutting out the 3/4 inch brass strips that are going to be the boiler bands from a piece of a bottom of a door kicker from a surplus door kicker that I got. I think I bought this at the hardware store. They had a bunch of them that were on sale for a lot less than the normal price because they were old and beat up, and I thought, man, that'd be a great source of some nice brass stock. Obviously I'm going to have to shine it up, but that shouldn't be too hard. You can see the little holes here from where it was attached. This is just my test piece for my jig, and I only need 3 of these, so I cut, those are 2 there, and I wanted to show you my little, this is a porta bandsaw. It's just a Harbor Freight one that I got, and well, it's a long story, but I had bolted this thing to a plate of aluminum and a hunk of angle iron. There's some bolts that go through the bottom of the casing. It's a cast aluminum housing, and then I used a U-bolt over there to clamp the handle down, and then a piece of aluminum angle that I have clamped in my bench vise here. And it makes a great slow speed metal cutting bandsaw and stationary. I've got it next to my wooden one, that wood cutting that I have that slowed down. I've got a jack shaft and all that slows down the speed, but it doesn't slow it down as slow as this one is. So anyway, you can see the little jig. I made up a little angle iron cutting jig and clamped it down. I used a highly technical piece of 3/4 inch thick wood to check the accuracy of my guide and the alignment with the blade. That's what this is for. And sure as shooting, it came out. Here's the other final piece there. So let's see if I can show that on there. It's right at 3/4 of an inch. Let's see if I can get a better angle there. Let's see. Yep, there you go. Right at 3/4. So I'm real pleased with the way that came out. Here's my other test piece. You can see the other end, and I still have a bulk of it left. So that's tonight's tip, a source of nice brass material for boiler bands.